All right, guys, great news. Tesla has finally come through and activated the adaptive headlights for the Model S in the US market. And you're going to get to see them in action here in about 1 minute, so stay tuned. So yes, guys, this is a huge, exciting update, and just for the channel, here's another update. I did pull the trigger on the Matrix taillight, so I'll be retrofitting this on my 2021 Plaid here very shortly. I'll be following my own video, which is linked below in the description. But yes, the adaptive headlight update is finally here. It's downloading on the car right now. It's 2025.14.1 and 0.3. And so those will enable the full adaptive headlights and a bunch of other cool functions. So if you don't know what the adaptive headlights are, they are amazing, especially if you're like me and I drive all the time at night in mostly rural areas. Basically, you run high beams all the time, and to not blind other drivers, it will individually dim the zones for oncoming traffic and the car you're following so you don't blind them. And so you get full visibility all the time, so don't have to worry about deer or hitting raccoons or whatever else you find out driving on the road. So it is awesome. It's coming. This is a 2021, and I have Matrix headlights. And so you may have seen the video where we retrofitted on there. So we're also going to find out, does the adaptive headlights work on a retrofitted car? So we're going to find that out here in about 1 minute. And the other things is this update also came with a bunch of other really cool things. It's this big spring update. So now when your blind spot monitoring camera is now on the cluster instead of on the main screen, which is cool. And we'll show you that here in just a minute as well. So anyway, it's going to be finished downloading here in a little bit, and we'll take it for a drive. Stay tuned. All right, so the update is complete. So let's kind of see what we got. Obviously, just some minor updates. You guys can read that. Power on accessories, you can set that. I guess more languages. And here's the big one, adaptive headlights. So high beams will now adapt to reduce glare for other drivers. And so that is the big one. Also saved trunk height, avoid highways. Alternative trip plans. This one looks kind of cool, so you can find different routes that have better amenities on them, I guess. And then the other big one is the blind spot camera. Now it's going to be on the cluster instead of on the screen. And then I guess they already had to do a couple minor fixes to it, so I got 14.3.1 as well too. So anyway, let's take this for a drive first. We'll check out the cameras, and then we'll take a drive at night and show you guys the adaptive headlights. All right, so in my driveway, oh yeah, check that out. So now it shows up on your screen. The quality looks good. It actually is so much bigger than it is when it's over here. So if you remember before, it used to show up here and kind of would block anything you were doing. Now it shows up right here, nice, big, and clear. And this is actually a huge, huge update. It just seems so much natural. I don't know why they initially put it on this one anyway, but this is pretty good. Let's see if I can get a car there and then all right, so now there's a car there. It's kind of, this one works. Yeah, so you get a little red warning when there's actually a car there, but much, much, much better. This is awesome. So yeah, the clarity on this screen is much, much better. It's actually just physically bigger as well too, so I'm very, very happy with it. And of course, we can't take a drive in the Plaid without one time. By the way, that's a requirement in the Plaid. You got to floor it at least once every 5 minutes. All right, so back at the house, we'll go out for a night drive here in a couple hours. Just make sure when you look at the drive, it's all gonna be grainy, I'm sure, but check out the sides of the road. That's where it makes a difference. The headlights on the road's gonna be the same, but like on the sides, look there and you'll see where the light kind of shines up and the high beams actually illuminate the sides, and that's where the big difference is. So let's come over here. We're gonna go over to lights, adaptive headlights. Selectively dims individual pixels of the high beams to reduce glares for other traffic. All right, so you can kind of see the black spot that it's making for the car in front of me, so we don't blind him in the mirror. It's actually working really good. All right, so we're following this truck in front of me around turns. You can kind of see how there's high beams around him, but where he actually is, it is blocking off the lights. All right, so we're following this van in front of me, and I can see I got high beams on both sides of him right now. Here comes an opposite direction car. There's high beams on, and it dims it just as he goes by. Hoping the camera picks this up because it's actually really, really cool. But I can see high beams on the trees to my left and on the trees to my right, but I do see a cutoff line on the car in front of me right now. So these adaptive headlights are actually working really, really cool. Pretty much just like the Mercedes. Let's go and see how they handle these next few cars. That was a good one. So yeah, you can kind of see, like, you know, like when you see your high beams on the tree, you kind of see the lines of the individual beams, because there is quite a few LEDs that make up the matrix kind of headlights. So you can kind of see the individual ones dim and relight as you pass a car. Really, really cool. All right, let's see if we can get one more shot of the headlight movement. All right, so in this shot, we can see that we got high beams on both of the trees to the left and the right. Here comes a vehicle opposite direction, and it is dimming the left. Sweet, so it's not blinding them. Full high beams again. Well, all right, guys, I think that's pretty definitive. Not only do they work on a retrofitted car as well. So I'm really, really happy. This is probably one of my, I'm just a headlight geek, so this kind of stuff makes me happy, just like it did on the Mercedes. So anyway, I do have a 2021 running Matrix headlights and Matrix taillights here shortly. If you want to know how to do those, both the videos are in the description. So thanks, guys, for watching. Stay tuned. Lots more Plaid videos coming up, Alpha videos, Blazer videos, and hopefully 430 videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, guys.